Hey guys, this is Sanket here and welcome back to the channel again. Today we are going to cover a certain part of one long distance hiking trail called Eifelsteig. Eifel is a national park in Germany and Steig means to hike in German language. So we are going to hike through that Eifel National Park. This is very famous trek in this region, in this state called NRW. And this long distance hiking trail is around 313 kilometers, and this trail is divided into 15 stages, and each stage is around 50 to 25 kilometers long. So today we are going to cover first two stages of this hike, and we have started our hike from Korneli Münster, Aachen, and this hike will end in Monschau. For the first stage, starting point is Korneli Münster, Aachen, and end point is Röttgen. And for second stage, the starting point is Röttgen and end point is Monschau. So this distance will be around 30 kilometers, I guess. The first stage is around 14 kilometers and second stage is around 16 or 17 kilometers. So see you on the route. Currently we are finding a spot for lunch because we are hungry right now. We have covered almost around 9 to 10 kilometers and 4 more kilometers to go. And finally we got a spot for our lunch, you can see. Finally we are done with the lunch. Now we are finding our route. Now while hiking through the jungles, you should definitely have one location tracking app. Currently I'm using Komoot, or also you can use Strava, it's also nice. And in that app, like if you don't know the route of particular trail, what you can do now for this Eifelsteig, they have one website on internet. You can go there and you can download GPX file for each stage, and you can open this file with this app's location tracking app. Then this will guide you throughout the journey. No need of internet, nothing. So see you on the next stop. So now just 2 kilometers are left. Look at the trees and sound of the birds chirping.
And after walking for 2 more kilometers, we reached at Rodgain, which is the end point of this stage number 1. And here are some glimpses of Rodgain.